How to fix Outlook sync issues. So if you want to fix your Outlook sync issues, then what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Syncing issues can sometimes occur due to a poor internet connection. So close your Outlook completely and then again try to reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the application can resolve syncing problems. Then you can go with your settings. After that, you can go with your apps. And under apps, you need to go with default apps. Now scroll down and then click on Outlook. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Outlook. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can help resolve syncing issues. So to update it, you need to click on the update. You will have the update option if it has an update. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. And if you just simply go with your system and you'll have reset option, if you just simply go and reset your PC, then that might also fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.